Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. Just like you can see here, I'm going to show you how to install this WordPress in live server. So in my previous video, I already shown you how to purchase your domain and hosting. Then this is the video where I'm going to install WordPress in live server. So I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you some secrets that you are not going to find in any other video about WordPress installation in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I've already made a video where I purchased this particular domain. You can see this particular domain. I purchased it live on my video. So if you haven't watched the video on how to purchase domain and hosting, the link to the video will be in this video description. So you hurry up and watch it, then you come back to this video and watch how you can install this particular install WordPress. So in that video, I was able to purchase domain and hosting successfully. Now, then there is something I didn't show you in that video. That is why I said you have to watch this video to the end because I'm going to leak some secrets. Now, after purchasing your domain and hosting, take for instance, in this case, we purchased our domain and hosting in Namecheap. Now, before you install WordPress, there is something important you must do here. That is why we are starting here. Okay, so that's why we are starting here. You can see this is active, so you can go to cPanel. Unlike the previous video where we can't go to our cPanel, so everything is now active. Now, what the first thing you are going to do is you are going to manage this particular domain. For you to manage it, you click on Manage. So you click on Manage. So this is the first thing you are going to do before you install WordPress. If not, after installing WordPress, you won't be able to go to your website. Now you come to this place, they say the name servers. Now this particular place, by default, this is what you are going to see by default. This is what you are going to see by default. The reason why you are seeing this thing is because I have already installed WordPress, which I will delete and reinstall it again for you to be able to see how it works. So now this is the default name server that comes with your Namecheap hosting. Now, if you have hosting with another platform, you are going to select custom name server. Then here now, you copy the name server of that hosting, paste it here and here. Then you do what? You click this save. Then with this, your hosting platform will connect to this domain, your domain. So if you install WordPress, it will work. Now, but in our own case, we purchased hosting and domain in Namecheap. So we are going to select Namecheap hosting and we are going to click on save. This way, this particular domain will be connected to our Namecheap hosting because by default, it is not connected to Namecheap hosting. But right now it is connected. It will tell you that you need 48 hours to take effect. It won't take up to 48 hours. It will just take few minutes. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Then now once we go back to our dashboard, then we are done. Then the next thing is you come over here. Then you click on go to cPanel. So now let me remove this. Then once we go to cPanel, I will now show you how you can be able to create install your WordPress. Now another important thing you need to know, just like I said, you should watch this video to the end. You have to install your SSL. So like you can see this particular website, you can see here now that the SSL certificate is not installed. That is why let's check this. Let me show you this thing. Let me show you this one, and you can see the certificate has the following error. You have no valid certificate configured for this because I've not installed SSL. So when you purchased Namecheap hosting, you log into your cPanel, the first thing to do to install your SSL, sometimes it goes automatic, but if it did not go automatic, you click on Namecheap SSL. Why? Because you are going to install your WordPress in either SSL secured website or non-SSL. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to install it in non-SSL. Then inside the WordPress dashboard, you will now convert it to SSL in case your SSL is now activated later. So after you click on here, installation via Namecheap SSL, you can see it is in progress. So it is in progress. It won't take time, but if you check back within 24 hours and your SSL is not active here, saying active, this place will turn green just like here. Then you have to chat their support, live support. So you come back here, click on this place and click on live chat. You chat their live support and tell them to activate your free SSL, Namecheap free SSL for your domain. They are going to activate it for you. So now once you are done, so let's go back to tools. Then you can now install your WordPress in the SSL section of your website. But if you purchased it newly, the SSL will not be installed. Therefore, we are going to install this particular. Well, my own is not yet in SSL, so I'm going to install it in non-SSL. So now once you are here and you want to install WordPress, you click on here, Softaculous app installer, or here. So we are going for this particular one, Softaculous app installer. Now immediately you come over here, you just click on install. This is what you are going to see, but in my own case I already have it installed. So first of all, I will show you how to uninstall a WordPress. That is why I say you should watch this video to the end, because I'm going to leak a lot of secrets to you. I'm going to leak a lot of secrets. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the WordPress, then install a fresh WordPress. So in case you install a WordPress and you encountered maybe something you don't want, you have to uninstall it and install a new WordPress. So let's so you click on, you are going to see installations over here. So once you see these installations, then you click on it. So you click on the installation. It's going to show all the installed it's going to show us all the installed WordPress. So you can see this particular one. So now for you to remove it, you just click here. You can see remove. So let's remove this in particular installation and put another installation. So let's remove it and put a fresh installation. So this is the next page. After clicking on remove installation, then make sure you mark all these things. Mark it. Then you click on remove installation. You click on OK. So you can see we are going to clear this particular installation, then install fresh WordPress. So you know that you now know how to uninstall WordPress in case you encounter any difficulty. So you can uninstall it and reinstall it again. So that is why I say you should watch this video to the end, so you will understand some certain things that are not there on the internet. So let's wait for it to uninstall. It doesn't used to take time, just that my network is somehow slow. It doesn't used to take time. So you can see the installation was removed there successfully. So now you click on return to WordPress management. So we return to WordPress management. You can see there is no installation. So you can now install, click here to install WordPress. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go back to the cPanel so that you are going to now start afresh. But once you remove installation and you want to install again, you click here. So now let's go back to the cPanel. So I want to go back to the cPanel. I want to go back to the cPanel. It's now going back. It's now going back. And it's going back. So this is the installation process. So I'm just going back. Yes. So I'm now back to the cPanel. So now you click on Softaculous app installer. So now here now see the WordPress here, because this is what you are going to see. So now once you come over here, then you can now use this particular installation button. Click on install. So now this is it. Now I was talking about installing on SSL secured website and non-SSL. You can see this is HTTP, this is non-secure. Now this is HTTPS, this is secure. So now if you click this particular HTTPS, then you must make sure that you already have SSL installed. If not, you will finish installing your WordPress and it will not load until the SSL is activated. But for the sake of this video, because sometimes you will buy your hosting and you want to install WordPress immediately and your SSL won't be activated, so I'm going to install it in non-SSL. So now I will now show you how you can now change this site to SSL once the SSL is activated. So here now you put the name of your blog. So I'm going to leave it at default, my blog. You put your blog short description, just 2 to 3 words. Then here is the admin username. The username you want to use to be logging into your WordPress. Here is the password. The password you want to be using to log into your WordPress. So I'm going to leave everything as default. This is your admin email address. So you put your admin email address here. So I'm leaving everything as default because this is just a test website. But in your own case, you have to input everything for your website, your business. So after everything, you have to disable all these things so it will not install these things by default. Then you come down and click on install. So you come down, you click on install, your WordPress is installing. So your WordPress is installing. It won't take time. It won't take time. Boom, it has been installed. So now let's check it. Open this in a new tab. This is the website. Then you can see it has been installed. So you see this not secure. Your website is not in a secure server. So because of the HTTP. So now administrative URL, this thing is what you'll be using to be logging in. So if you can copy it and open it in a new tab, and you will not enter your username and password. But if you click here, it will automatically log you into your WordPress dashboard. So note this particular username, note this particular URL. So your website for site WP admin is your login URL. So you use it to be logging in to your WordPress using the username and password. So now here now, but if you click here, it will automatically log you in. So far you are in your cPanel. So here now we have successfully installed WordPress. So this is how to install WordPress in live server. You can see it's very simple. This video went this long because I'm showing you some certain things you are not going to see in any other video, so you'll be able to know it. So you see how I installed it, very simple and fast. Now after installing it and you later find out that your SSL has been activated, now you come down to your settings, you come down to general. Let's check something first. So this is how you can now make a change the WordPress installation into SSL secured once you notice that your SSL has been activated by your hosting. So you see this particular place they wrote WordPress address, you just come over here and put S. Then here now you just come over here and put S. Once you put S in these two places, you scroll down and save the changes. Automatically, your WordPress will now pick the SSL session of your website, so it will now change. So that is why you prefer you install it in non-SSL. If you don't have it SSL installed already, you can change it later. So this is how to install WordPress successfully in your website. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop any video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video so that other people will learn. If you encounter any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I will help you and answer you in the comment section. I answer to every comment. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to design website using this WordPress. So check my channel. I've dropped a series of videos designing website using this WordPress, so you can check it out and you continue your journey in learning how to design website using WordPress. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.